Oh, I don't know if I can pull this up.
All right, well, we can switch off. Holy sh! You got it. It's all you. That's the one. That's your grouper.
Oh my God. Why me?
Why?
I don't like big fish. I like small fish. Yeah.
That was on the cut jack?
Yep.
You got him, you got him, you got him.
Well, so far. No. You know when I give up.
Oh my gosh. This could be a gag. I think this is a gag grouper. The bottom machine's lit up too.
Okay, let me get more comfortable. Okay.
Yep. You got him.
Well, that's 80 feet, so.
Oh, that's a keeper gag. Wait, let me get the net. Let me get the net. Let me get the net.
Hi, hi, hi. Holy smoky. Just throw this in behind me, son. Oh my God.
Yes! Yes!
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Oh, smoke.
Oh my God. Let's go.
That was a workout.
That's definitely a keeper. 24.
Wow. Is it the size what needs to be?
Hold this. Good job. Good job.
Alright.
Alright.
Is it on?
Yep. 24 and a half.
Yes.
Yep. That's a keeper.
Thank you, Lord. Let me take everything. Can you fit in there?
Yep. 24 and a half. Holy. Alright, that's not a hog. I don't know what that is.
Rifle's high.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe. Want to put it on the face?
Yeah. You're on tape right now.
Oh, look at that.
That might be a cobia or amberjack or.
Break my arm or my
Oh jeez.
What's going to go first?
Oh my gosh.
An apple.
Holy.
Yeah.
All right, just nice and easy.
There's nothing I can do.
I got a fish on too.
I'll have to loosen up a little bit.
Yeah, maybe loosen up a little bit. You only have 20-pound leader.
Oh yeah. I hope it's still there. Yep. Still there.
Oh my gosh, and I got one too.
Fighting hard.
Doubled up.
I don't know. I'm gonna let it on. No, there's nothing I can do.
No, yeah. I don't know what you have.
Me neither, but I have plenty of line, so.
It hit it on the bottom?
Yep.
Yeah, you got good line in there. Oh,
No, still on.
holy. You might have a kingfish on or something.
No, that would probably jump.
Oh, red grouper.
Too bad, it's not a keeper. Getting bigger. Man, this thing is fighting.
Little red grouper.
That's not a lazy fish. That's definitely not a lazy fish. Oh shit.
What happened? To cut it?
Yep.
Ah, shit.
Broke off. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Damn. That wasn't a bottom fish. That was a. That could have been a kingfish.
Where's it out? I wonder. Real careful.
strawberry grouper. Oh yeah, that's a good bend. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. He's digging. I don't know what this is. Could be a hog.